Here's a strip sander I made with a 1x30 belt and a 1/3 horse motor. It's got a plywood wheel, which I turned right on the motor shaft so that it would be true. And the top wheel is an inline roller skate wheel, so it has a built-in bearing. It sits in this wood cradle you see here, and it's got a very simple tracking mechanism. There's a screw here I can use to tweak the tracking, along with this wing nut right here. It's got a small table, a metal bracket as a backer, a spring that keeps tension on the belt. Let me show you how it works. You see the tracking's off a bit there, but I can actually bring it back into alignment pretty good with the wing nut. And the 1/3 horse motor has plenty of power. It doesn't bog down at all, no matter how hard I push on the workpiece.